standing before you to conduct today's morning assembly. Rise up, start fit. See the right opportunity in each new day. Every day may not be good, but there is something good in every day. A place is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. To guide us, we are a Fatima to the pledge.
Extend your right hand. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians.
All Indians
Are my
are my
brothers and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And
And
I
I am
am proud of it.
proud of its
Rich and
rich and
great heritage.
great heritage.
I shall
I shall
always
always
strive to be worthy of it.
worthy of its.
I shall
I shall
give my parents,
give my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders
and all elders
respect
respect
and treat everyone
and treat everyone
with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge
I pledge
my devotion
my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity
and prosperity.
alone lies my happiness.
Lies my